Welcome to David's English Stories.
My life changed after Mom died. Nothing feels happy anymore. Since Mom passed away, everything feels empty. Dad works all the time, and my stepmom always finds more work for me. I clean, I cook, I do everything, but she never says thank you. Mom, I miss you so much. I wish you were here with me.
Lily, you are still cleaning? You must mop the floor after vacuuming. I want the house to shine. Don't be slow. Hurry up, Lily.
Yes, I will do it now.
Good. I don't like lazy girls in my house.
I'm so tired, but I can't stop. Stepmother will be angry if she wakes up and sees dust. She sleeps like a queen, and I work like a maid. I miss my real mom. She was kind and always smiled at me. Now every day feels heavy, like I'm living in someone else's home.
Lily, come here.
Yes, Sophia. What do you need?
I'm thirsty. Bring me some juice. And not too cold, my throat hurts.
Okay.
Oh, and after that, iron my dress. I want to wear it tonight.
She never says please or thank you. Sometimes I feel invisible in this house.
Oh, my sweet Sophia. You're back. Come here, my darling. Did you eat something, dear? You look tired. I'll make you some tea.
Yes, Mom. I told Lily to bring me some juice.
Lily, what are you doing? The floor still looks dirty.
But I just cleaned it, ma'am.
Don't talk back to me.
She's too slow, Mom.
Yes, maybe work will teach her some manners.
Hello, my love. I miss you a lot.
Darling, welcome home. We waited for you all day.
How is my daughter, Lily?
I always take care of her.
I know you always take good care of Lily. Thank you.
Lily is a good girl, but she still needs to learn how to help more. I try to be patient.
That's nice. I trust you completely.
Dad, you're home.
My sweet girl. How was school today?
Yes, but
Go make dinner. Don't let your father know you did nothing. Lily, you are so slow. I told you to clean the table, not just stand there like a statue.
I'm sorry. I was just.
Sorry? You always say sorry. You are useless. My daughter does everything better than you.
I try my best every day.
Your best is never enough. You are just a burden in this house.
Enough. I heard everything. I'm so sorry, my dear. I didn't see how you were treated. You don't deserve this. I trusted you. But now I see who you really are.
Please follow me. I want to tell you everything. Listen. I think there's a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding? I heard everything.
Yes, but please let me explain. You know me. I'm strict, yes, but only because I care.
Care? You were shouting at her.
I shout at both girls, not just Lily. I want them to grow strong, responsible, and respectful. I treat them the same.
Are you saying you love Lily too?
Of course. She's like my own daughter. Maybe my way is hard to understand, but I only want what's best for them. Please don't let one moment destroy our family.
Thank you, my love. Excuse me for misunderstanding.
You're welcome, trust me.
I trust you. Here, take this money. Buy new clothes for both girls, okay?
Of course. I'll take care of it.
Mom, can I get some money? I want to buy a new dress.
Of course, sweetie. Take this. You always look beautiful.
Thank you, Mom.
Can I get some money? I need a new uniform for school.
Money? No, sorry. I don't have any now. Don't talk back to me. I said I don't have it. Go finish your chores.
Yes, ma'am.
Lily talks too much to her father. I can't let that happen. She must not take his love away from me and my daughter. I have to keep them apart. This house belongs to me now, and my real daughter.
Here, drink this. It's fun.
Okay. Why do I feel like this? The music is too loud. I can't think. I feel sick. I want to go home. Where is my phone? If Mom finds out, she will kill me.
Huh? Sophia's phone. Come to Blue Street 12 tonight. Big party. Music, drinks, everything. Don't miss it. A party? Sophia didn't tell us. This place, it looks far. It looks dangerous. What if she is in trouble? I must go. I can't leave her alone. Sophia, I'm here. It's okay.
Lily. I'm sorry. I was so bad to you. Thank you for coming.
Let's go home.
Where were you? Why do you look like this? Lily, why did you take my daughter out? What did you do now?
Mom. I felt sick. Lily helped me.
Lily, you always make trouble. Stay away from my daughter.
Mom. Lily did nothing. I made the mistake. Please don't yell at her.
You are defending Lily?
Yes, Mom, if Lily didn't come, I don't know what would happen to me.
Lily, listen. You don't say anything to your father about the party. Do you understand? Keep it between us.
Okay. I won't say anything.
Good. Remember, I'm doing everything for this family.
Why am I doing this? This doesn't feel right. But if I tell Dad, Sophia will be in trouble. And he will fight with her, with everyone. I don't want more problems, but how long can I hide this?
Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Dad.
Are you okay? You look tired.
Dad, I want to tell you something. It's important.
Okay, Lily. I'm listening. What is it about?
Will Lily finally tell him everything? Will the father understand the truth? And what will the stepmother do when her secret is not a secret anymore? Don't miss the next episode. Like this video, subscribe, and tell us in the comments.